Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Ditch. I'm a professional photographer. We're here in San Diego on behalf of Adorama TV to give you a first look at the GoPro HERO12 Black and the GoPro HERO12 Black Creators Edition. With the release of the GoPro HERO12 Black, there's some amazing new features I want to talk about. First, the battery life has drastically been improved with up to 2 times the amount of runtime depending on which mode you're in. It has an unlimited amount of frame rate options, which has been improved, 10-bit color for GoPro's GP log profile for video, better HyperSmooth stabilization, among other notable upgrades. Now, before I show you what the new GoPro HERO12 Black can do, let's talk about what comes in the Creators Edition. For starters, we have the new Volta tripod and battery grip. This not only extends the battery life of the GoPro HERO12 Black, but also has buttons to capture photo and video. Plus, it's a great handle for vlogging. Next, we have the Media Mod, which has an improved microphone and windscreen built onto it. It also has a 3.5mm mic jack, USB Type-C for pass-through charging or powering, and 2 cold shoe mounts for other additional accessories like the light mod. Now, I know before I talked about how the Media Mod is great for vlogging, so here's an example. How's the image? How's the audio? This thing is so lightweight and nimble, I love it for capturing behind-the-scenes footage of your adventures. Earlier, I mentioned how the new GoPro HERO12 has improved stabilization, so I had to call my friend Cole here, who's a licensed FPV pilot. Thanks for coming out, man.
Thanks for having me.
All right, let's send this thing up and put it to the test. Okay, so that was legendary. Thanks for coming out, Cole.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, now back here on the ground, let's put it to the test in a few more scenarios. Now that we tested it out up in the air, we're here on the ground. We're gonna put it on the e-bike and see how it handles. We're gonna rig it on different parts of the bike to get some different looks for you guys. Okay, so we saw how the HyperSmooth stabilization performed on the drone and the e-bike. So now I've mounted it to my skateboard to give it another challenge. So what'd you guys think of the HyperSmooth stabilization? Pretty epic, right? So I thought it could be cool to use the GoPro's TimeWarp feature set up as a dash cam. So let's see how it comes out. Another thing I like to do when there's a ton of action is running time lapses between the boats, the ocean, the sky. Let's see what we can capture.
Yeah.
Being a professional photographer, you wouldn't think a GoPro would be something I use consistently, but with its size and 27 megapixel sensor, the HERO12 is perfect for any situation. Let me show you how I use this to capture incredible photos. As a content creator, I'm blown away by the HERO12. Who would have thought something so small could be capable of 10-bit color? By shooting in the all-new GP log profile, we can really make our color grades pop more than ever. Here are some examples. Okay guys, that wraps up our first look at the new GoPro HERO12 Black and how I use it as a content creator. For more information, check out the description below. Once again, my name is Ryan Ditch. On behalf of Adorama TV, thanks for watching.